Hi everyone! In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make miyeokguk. In English, it's seaweed soup. Maybe seaweed is a bit unfamiliar ingredient to you guys, but it has lots of nutrition besides calcium, so it's really good for you. In Korea, we always eat this miyeokguk on birthday as well as when mothers have babies. If you have Korean partners or friends, make this soup for them. They will surely touch. Let's get started. First, soak dry seaweed in the water. Leave it for 30 minutes to an hour. And cut the beef into small pieces. After an hour, the seaweed will be like this. If it's too big, cut them into bite-sized pieces. Now turn on the heat to medium-high and add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Then add beef and stir fry it. Add a little bit of black pepper as well. When the beef is cooked, add the seaweed. Then add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and stir fry it for 1 minute. And pour 3 cups of water. When the soup starts to boil, add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and season with salt. I put in about 3 pinches. Finally, boil it for another 5 minutes. That's it! Serve with rice. Enjoy!